as luck would have it, all attempts at making one of the first videos for this as easy as possible to get moving here on this YouTube channel is left with some of the absolute worst sun pelting lighting ever, and in my crazy super old neighbor who's mowing his lawn because he's retired, so it's like happening for the 4th time this week, and I'm over it. He actually shoots at his ducks that go into his yard and then feeds them, then shoots them, then feeds them. Anyhow, leather seats. Right, moving forward. All right, in today's episode, we're going to discuss this well-loved driver's seat that came in this Ford F-350 7.3-liter diesel. And we have an answer to this problem. Very temporary answer. Once again, if it can't be found at Walmart, then it's probably just not worth it. Genuine Dickies, premium leather, faux leather, I don't know. Listen, this is a short-term answer for a long-term problem. I will very more than likely go ahead and have this the entire front interior redone professionally. But in the short term, to prevent any additional issues, I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot. We'll see if this works. I wish I could say there was any difficulty to installing this. It's a good second video. It's super easy. Take this. Flip it over top. Slide it on over. Then down below, essentially the same thing. All right, it's not pretty, it's temporary. But the reality behind it is, it's not tearing up the original leather. So until this gets professionally done, this ain't a bad deal. Not for like 20-something bucks.
Shut up and sit down.
Done. Genuine Dickies. In terms of color matching, it's not the worst. In terms of quality, it's what you expect for a relatively, in fact, a very cheap kind of Walmart purchase, 20-something bucks. Easy use putting on. You guys saw it, super easy. And I'm driving the truck for the first time with the covers on, and the reality behind it is they feel fine. They're not super padded. They're not super expensive. I hope that the wrinkles will come out in it, and I'm sure they will in time. And at the same time, they don't smell. What do you expect for 20-something bucks? It's a good temporary fix, so I'm stoked about that. All right, thanks for watching. Crush that like button, slam subscribe. I appreciate all the support early on. Out from 7.3 liter truck stuff.